Hey, what's going on, guys? Kel Mark with theeasiestbusiness.com. Today I want to talk to you about Facebook ads. This one's going to be super quick, and this is just based off my experience. This is not the end-all be-all to Facebook advertising for contractors or painters or whatever. This is just the results that I've had as a contractor in my local area and what works for me. So this is a very simplified version. I could go into detail for 5 hours about Facebook ads and somebody would still argue with me, but this is just the results of a couple of campaigns that I've run myself and I've had success with them. So first thing I want to talk about, best type of Facebook ads, before and after pictures. So before/after pictures, these by far get the best results out of anything else that I've tested. You don't want to just post a finished picture of something and say, you know, your cabinets can look like this or your bathroom can look like this or whatever. You want to have a before and after picture. Use something like Pic Collage, download it, put two photos side by side and put it, you know, as a post on your Facebook page, and then boost that post. So you want to do like a before and after. You want to do like a boosted post. You don't want to go you want to do a boosted post. You don't want to go like create new ad and go that way. It's a lot more difficult when you can just create like a post for your page already and then just boost that. And so you want to add a message button on your boosted post. You don't want to add your phone number, anything like that. It's 2022. People aren't going to want to call you. Most people won't. Some people will, but especially with regards to your target audience. And this is the reason I say a message button and not a call feature on your ad. Because the way I do it, it's 2022. I know this is frowned upon, but especially when I'm doing things like cabinets before and after, these are really easy bait. So if you do a lot of cabinets and you do good cabinet work, I would just take my area, my county, and I would target women. I mean, I know that sounds crazy to say in 2022, but 99% of the time, if there's a marriage, the women pick the colors. The women make the final decisions on the finishes, what everybody else is going to see. I'll let you decide why they do that, but that's how it goes in 99% of marriages. Of course, that's not absolute, you know, truth for everything, because there's also single men. But this is what I run. If you want to have the highest chances of success rate, I would do a before and after. I would boost a post. I would put a message button on the boosted post, and I would target women in my county, in my areas in which I work. And so that's how you're going to get the best response from Facebook ads, and this is what works for me. So good luck out there, and hopefully if you just follow these, you know, few simple tricks that I use, hopefully you know, you guys can have some success with that as well. So if this helped you out, leave me a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. What has worked for you? If it's not something similar to this, let me know, because I definitely would like to know what works for you for Facebook ads for the future of my business as well. So hit the subscribe button. I'm here to teach people who don't know a lot about the industry, things about the back end of the industry. You know, everybody has, you know, how to paint videos on their channel, but this is more focused on the business side, how to generate leads and how to estimate, maybe what tools to use and things like that, things you don't really hear about on YouTube. So